What are we doing?
So much has changed.
Our world seems to be in chaos.
Some people are angry, some people are scared.
Some people are being unkind
and hurting each other with their words or actions.
Instead of coming together,
many people are fighting about their differences.
Sometimes it feels like one bad thing after another keeps happening.
Our beautiful world is hurting.
Many people are losing hope.
Things are so weird right now.
School looks and feels so different.
We can't have fun and hang out like we used to.
We can't even enjoy a high five with our friends.
A worldwide pandemic has changed everything.
Everything.
Division,
isolation,
loneliness,
anger, fear,
depression,
doom and catastrophe.
These are the popular headlines of our day.
But there is greater power in the choices we make.
Even during these hard times,
I will choose compassion.
I will choose compassion.
I will choose compassion.
I will choose compassion.
And from compassion,
I will act in kindness.
I will act in kindness.
I will act in generosity.
What will you choose?
What will you choose?
Bạn sẽ chọn cái gì?
No matter who you are.
No matter where you come from.
No matter what you have or don't have.
You can choose compassion.
You can choose compassion.
Puedes escoger compasión.
You can act in kindness and generosity.
You can make a difference just like I can.
Như tôi có thể.
Like I can.
Through compassion, we can start to put our world back together.
It starts with me.
It starts with me.
It starts with you.
It starts with us.
It starts with us. United together.
United together.
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 Compassion is greater.
Suosjećanje je uvijek veće.
Compassion is greater.
La compasión es mejor.
Compassion is greater.
Everybody, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm Laura Queen, the Portland Program Director for Sparrow Clubs USA. And I think we can all agree that this year has just really been a crazy year. So I hope the message you just watched from kids just like you reminds you that even though things have been different, no matter what, compassion is greater, and we can really do some pretty amazing things even during these times. What I love the most about Sparrow Clubs is it gives kids like you the chance to make a difference in the lives of others. Today, I have something for all of you to do, to be a part of, that will make you all superheroes. I get to introduce you to your new Sparrow, a kid that needs your help and is going to give you the opportunity to make a difference not only in their life, but the lives of others. Compassion is greater than anything. Our world needs real superheroes, ones that can show compassion for others. Compassion is that feeling that you get deep within yourself, that when you see that someone is hurting, you want to do whatever you can to help. In just a minute, you're going to watch your Sparrow's story. And I want to challenge you to put yourself in their shoes. Think about what it would be like. That's what empathy means, understanding what someone else is feeling. Once you have empathy and you have the desire to help, you have compassion. After the video, I'll be back to tell you how you can put your real superpowers to work.
Compassion is contagious. Every moment we choose compassion, we move towards a better world. Students of Whitman Elementary School, are you ready to put your compassion to work? It's time to meet your very first Sparrow. My name is Raylyn, and I am 6 years old. I love unicorns, sloths, and cheetahs. I also love going to school here at Whitman. Now I need your help. Last summer, my balance was off and my parents knew something was wrong. Doctors did a special type of X-ray that showed I had a brain tumor. These tests also showed I had brain cancer. Two days later, I had surgery to remove the tumor. I also needed a special type of treatment to help fight the cancer. It is hard sometimes. It has affected my balance and speech. I tried to be brave, laugh, and have fun. Doctors are hopeful that I can beat this. My family loves me so much. Your compassion means the world to me. Through sponsored community service, you will raise money for my medical journey and daily expenses. Whitman Elementary School, thank you for allowing my story to show everyone that compassion is greater. A special thanks to our project co-sponsors: First Interstate Bank, the RE/MAX Equity Group Foundation, and 100 Women Who Care of Portland. Compassion is greater. So now that you've seen your sparrow's story, I'll bet your heart is bursting with compassion and empathy. I'll bet you can't wait to help. As you can see, when kids get sick, they have to go to the doctor, have special tests, and their parents have to miss work a lot too. Things can get really expensive. Well, the cool thing is, Sparrow Clubs has a way for you to raise money to help your sparrow just by helping people around you. Now comes the fun part, putting those powerful emotions to work through community service. At the end of the video, you saw your club sponsor. Your sponsor makes it possible for your acts of service to turn into real money to help your sparrow. Your sponsors believe in you so much that they've put up thousands of dollars for you to help your sparrow. All you have to do is help someone else that might need something. We call that community service. For every hour of community service you do, you unlock $10 for your sparrow family. Here's the way it works. Once you complete the hour of community service, you simply fill out the service voucher using a computer, cell phone, or even an iPad. Don't forget to write a note about what helping your sparrow has meant to you and submit it. We love to give these to your sparrow family as a gift at the end of the year. And just like that, you've earned $10 for your sparrow family. As a school, you are challenged to complete 256 hours of community service. That means just by helping others, your school could earn $2,560 for your sparrow. Each student is challenged to do at least 1 hour of service. Community service can be easy.
Think of it as doing something for somebody that you wouldn't ordinarily do. It's a way of giving back to your community while earning money for your Sparrow family. You could help your neighbor with yard work. Write a note or draw a picture to somebody in a nursing home that might be feeling sad or lonely. You could even offer to walk your neighbor's dog. The possibilities are endless. So now that you've met your Sparrow, you know their story, you've been challenged to serve, and after you serve, you're going to fill out a voucher with a personal note and submit it. You're all set to be a real hero. I'm so excited that you've decided to help someone that needs you. Be kind. Stay humble. Remember, compassion is greater. Thank you for being a part of our Sparrow family. I can't wait to see what you guys accomplish.
Hi, Whitman Wildcats.
Hey, Whitman Wildcats. We're so excited that you chose us to be part of your Sparrow family. We miss you guys so much, and we can't wait to hopefully see you in person soon. Go, Whitman!
Bye.
Will you give 1 hour in honor of Raylyn?